was lying in bed one night, making sense of my crazy life. Just as I closed my eyes, I saw a bird inside my mind. I jumped out of bed, it was almost midnight, but there was nothing outside. Lay back down, tried to sleep. I sunk deep, just on the edge. I sunk in through to my delight. A bursting tunes at midnight. I laid awake, my eyes wide. I laid there listening in awe. Alright, alright. I thought it would end. The entire thing was outside my head. As the whole thing fell apart, a songbird singing right to my heart. There is no beginning. And more birds singing. And more birds singing. Immortal birds.